Your office does more than just house your team. It tells your story, broadcasts your values, and reflects who you are as a brand. Welcome. I'm Shehbaz Khan, founder and director at AK Interior Designing Private Limited. Today we are diving into a design topic that's more than just looks. It's about purpose. It's about creating spaces that reflect company culture from the floor up. Setting the stage. An office with purpose goes beyond the desk and chair. It's the heartbeat of a brand. It's where values, mission, and style all collide to create a space that employees don't just walk in, they feel proud of. Transparency is key. Transparency breeds trust. And what better way to show it with open layout? Gone are the days of stuffy cubicles. This is about open spaces where conversations flow, ideas are shared, and hierarchy takes a back seat. Large communal tables, minimal partitions, easy team interaction. An open space says we are all in this together, perfect for companies with a culture of openness and collaboration. Private pods for focus driven work. Because let's be real, we all need a break from a hustle and bustle, right? Why it matters. Private pods create focus zones for tasks that need attention to detail. They reflect a culture that values focus, respect for personal space, and the occasional do not disturb vibe. For companies that value both teamwork and concentration, these spaces are the best of both worlds. Brand theme decor. Show your true colors. Why let your brand live only on business cards? Bring it in your spaces. Brand theme decor is not just for looks, it's a visual reminder of the mission, values, and identity that set your company apart. Some of the key elements. Accent walls reinforce your brand colors and energy. Message walls highlight the company's vision or rallying cry. Unique branding elements from logos to quirky brand quotes, each element tells your story. Every word should speak your language so that everyone knows that this is who we are. Company culture is about connection. Collaborative zones are where ideas meet action, where brainstorming goes wild, and where big plans get their start. Here are some core features. Comfortable sitting, because creativity should be comfy. Idea walls and whiteboards, no shortage of places to sketch, draw, and doodle. Casual ambience, a laid back vibe where people feel free to share. For a culture that's innovative and forward thinking, collaborative zones are a must have. The power of purpose driven design. Designing an office with purpose means every choice. From layout to decor to materials is intentional. It's about creating a space that's more than functional. It's inspiring, reflective of company culture, and welcoming to everyone who walks through the doors. At AK Interiors, we specialize in purpose driven design. We create offices that reflect your values, inspire your team, and foster a culture that's uniquely yours. Every space should tell a story. So does your office reflect who you are as a brand? Let's design a space that truly captures your culture. Contact us today and let's create an office with purpose together.